Now let's write some of these in exponential form. So that means we're going to be using exponents, okay? So how many 7s do we have being multiplied here? Okay, well, we have 1, 2, 3 7s being multiplied. So in exponential form, we have 3 whats? 3 7s being multiplied. So 7 to the third power. Now, how many n's do we have being multiplied? Well, there's 2 n's being multiplied, 1, 2. So we're going to have 2 n's being multiplied there. So the way we would say this is 7 to the third power, n to the second power, or to the third power and to the second power. They have special names, cubed and squared. So 7 cubed, n squared. The way we say them is backwards from the way that we're supposed to understand them. Okay, so this is 7 to the third power, but it means 3 7s being multiplied. This is n cubed or n squared, so it means 2 n's being multiplied. So the way we say them and the way we understand them are going to be a little bit backwards, or the way we write them and the way we understand them, okay?